I recently went to Texas for my birthiversary week, which is my birthday and anniversary, if you couldn't put the two together. I turned 40. I mean, I still feel like I'm 18. It's so crazy. I don't even know what's going on anymore. But I wanted to go and see my family in Houston, which is where I'm from, born and raised. And I also wanted to go to Austin because I wanted to do a little thrifting. And obviously I want to show you guys what I got. But first, if you are new here, hello, my name is Jennifer, or Farmer, whatever you want to call me, just not Jen, because I really do not like Jen. But I do like thrifting and showing you guys my finds and reselling them online, saving money, all that stuff. So if that sounds good, hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on another video. Now, this is going to be pretty casual and laid back because I don't have the energy for any fancy editing right now.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
So we're going to open this together. I don't even remember what I got, so it's going to be kind of a surprise for you and I both. All right? I don't know why I'm doing it like this. This is kind of terrifying. This might turn into a true crime documentary. What? Okay, the first thing, I literally do not even remember this. This is like, it's like Christmas. Okay, I remember why I bought this. So it's a fur vest, but it is actually real, okay, genuine, but it says general rabbit fur. Okay, maybe I made a mistake here. This one I do remember because I showed it on my Instagram. It's a full suit, but like shorts and blazer from Veronica Beard. Here are the shorts. This is kind of difficult. I'll throw a screenshot up of what it actually looks like. It probably retails for like $600, the whole set. So I'm pretty excited about this. It was only 20 bucks for the whole thing. So this one was also a really cool find. This is Saloni homie. And this is super cute, like the gingham style. I always want to say Gangnam style. I can't today. I am losing my mind, you guys. Also in this box, I had to ship back some stuff that I got for my birthday and anniversary just because all my family's there and there was just a ton of stuff and I did not have room in my gigantic suitcase to get this back. But I just announced that I was pregnant. I'm actually about 4 months, something like that, a little over 4 months. And I posted a reel with the announcement. So if you saw it, then this might make sense. I originally was gonna do red and yellow crayons. So there is a yellow one in there, but then once I saw it together, I was like, oh my God, we look like ketchup and mustard. So I cannot do red and yellow. So I had to like scramble up to find another costume for my husband, but he got these for me for our anniversary and I thought it was so freaking cute and so sweet. The other one's in here somewhere, but that's what this is. There's also a lot of baby clothes in here, but I have not said what the gender is yet. So I am gonna do a like whole video on thrifted clothes that I found for the baby, but that is not that video. So you guys, you're gonna have to wait on that. So I'm just gonna throw these over to the side. Oh, there we go. There's the yellow. Okay, it's Free People and it's like velvety. It is so pretty. And I just made a video on brands that sell for over $100. And there was a couple Free People jackets on there. So don't sleep on Free People, guys. A lot of Free People stuff does really well. And look how pretty this is. This is from their We the Free line. And I believe that the solds were like over $100. I can't remember off the top of my head, but usually that's kind of what I look for. So I'll pop it up here. But that was an awesome find. And a lot of these were from this one store in Austin. I honestly don't even remember the name. It was in a strip mall. It was like very small and weird, but they just had really cool stuff. This was also there. Thrift center, I guess. I don't know. This is a brand new For Love and Lemons dress. Still has the tags on it. This is also from that same thrift store, which is where I got a lot of the really cool stuff. These are also Veronica Beard. And these are really cute, kind of cargo-esque style pants. I've had like hit or miss luck with Veronica Beard pants, but these seem kind of really trendy and in style. So I'm kind of excited to see how these do, and they look like they've never been worn before. This one was from Houston, actually, at like this place called Pennywise or something like that, which sounds like really like a horror movie, but they had this there, which is really cute. It's Ronnie Kobo, and it's this really long, kind of asymmetrical knit midi maxi. I can't really tell. I haven't been able to find a stock photo of it, but I think that this is gonna do really well. Oh, another one from Houston, and this was also in my video about brands that sell for over $100. It's St. John. Now, these were from Goodwill in Houston, and there was a lot of clothes in this particular size, 14, like 10 different pairs of pants. But this was the only one I ended up grabbing because St. John is crazy expensive, and these are genuine leather. Like, they probably retail for over $1,000, so I think they'll at least go for over $100. More from Austin. I think this was from a Goodwill boutique in Austin. It was like a really, really small one. It was $6.99, but look. It's a cute animal print mini skirt from Ganni. I always thought it was Gani, but I looked it up and it's pronounced Ganni. So I love selling this brand. It usually does pretty well for me. I don't know about the mini skirts, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I do not remember what this is like at all. It's eyelet, it's white, oh, okay. It's Mira Penalosa, something like that. I think I've sold something from it before. This was from a Goodwill in Austin. It's a like long kind of cottagecore style maxi dress. Oh, okay. This is one of the first ones I found when I was in Austin. It's Palace Place. I don't know. One of those. And it's like a Tucker Duck brand, or it's sold on Tucker Duck or something like that. And I recently sold, I believe, almost the same dress in red. Anything from Tucker Duck usually does pretty well. Lots of receipts. I don't want to remind myself how much money I spent. Lots of birthday cards. We had to get this. If you've ever been to Texas, then you know Buc-ee's. So we had to get a little baby Buc-ee's. How cute is that? I want to say that this one was from Houston too, but I can't remember. I really can't remember. I think it was Houston, maybe Austin. I don't know. It was somewhere in Texas, and it is J. Crew, and I love selling J. Crew. Yes, sorry. This was from Houston, Value Village. I remember now. And it's brand new with tags, which is why I got it. J. Crew, like outerwear, vests, blazers, things like that do really, really well for me, so that was cool. This was also from Value Village, I believe, in Houston. And I ended up getting this because it is 100% cashmere. We'll see how this does. I looked up the style and I saw that somebody else had a similar one, like the same scarf, but in a different color, maybe pink or blue. And they had it listed for like $200, which I think is a little high, but maybe I can get like 50 or something like that. So usually I pass on these nowadays, but they only had these listed for like, marked at like $6 or something like that. So nostalgia, I had to get these Rothy's. They're in perfect condition. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see if they still sell or not. This was also from the boutique in Austin, like the Goodwill boutique. It's a Free People CP Shades collaboration. And I've actually sold the Free People CP Shades collaboration before, and it sold for like $100. So that's why I picked it up. And there was two of these. There was this like berry wine color. And there's another one in here somewhere. Oh, here we go. Navy. A navy one. And so I have two of those. And I'm hoping that they each sell for around 100-ish, give or take. And I have sold this brand before. I'm not too familiar with it, but I've sold it before. I think I got it at the swap meet for like $1, and it sold pretty fast. It's Carrie Castle. This is so awkward. I don't know how I'm supposed to hold this. I'm like like a cheerleader. Let me give you this angle. I want to say that this is All Saints. Angle. This was from I think my very last stop in Austin at some really random, massive Texas-sized thrift store, and it is also Free People, and I love Free People maxi dresses. Look at this with like the big kind of flowy bottom. And this looks to be like a pretty old tag, but I still think this is gonna do pretty well. These I did buy for myself, but I'm considering listing these. These were actually from an Out of the Closet in Houston, and they're really cute, like what, needlepoint or one of those crewel, or I don't know the difference, but kind of like Victorian looking. And I just thought they were really, really pretty. Here's a better look. Might cut off the audio. All my Goodwill tote bags. They don't have these in LA. And I am really shocked that they don't actually sell these in LA, because I posted a picture with one of these on Instagram and everybody was like, oh my God, I want the bag. Which, yeah, I did too. That's why I bought it. And they need to be selling these everywhere. And here's a Houston one. Like, why do they not sell these in every freaking city, especially LA? They need to get on that. This one was Free People. No, Daily Practice. Is it the same thing? Is it like Daily Practice is part of Free People? I am not too sure. Actually, I think it's Anthropology. I don't really remember. One of those things, but I believe I want to say it's new with tags, but I'm not seeing the tags, so maybe not. But it's it's kind of like a sweatsuit, jumpsuit. Got these like little cinchy guys on the legs, kind of wide leg, comfortable, cozy, all that stuff. So this was one of my absolute favorite finds of the whole trip, because they literally just released this style, and somehow I ended up finding literally 2 pairs of these. I think they're the same size, but look at these Rothy clogs. I did pay $25 for them, but they retail for like $160, $150. So I mean, like, that's a steal, and they don't really even look like they've been worn, but maybe once or twice. So how they ended up at Goodwill like this quickly when they were just released a month or so ago is, I have no idea, but thank you, because now I have 2 pairs of them. It might be my favorite find of the whole trip, except for this. This was also my favorite find. Now, if you've ever followed me on Instagram, then you know that I have this weird thing for finding really, really bad fake designer, like the ones that are misspelled. And so I didn't buy this at first, and I was absolutely regretting it. So I had my husband go back and pick it up because it's not Balenciaga, it's Babenciaga. This is so ridiculous. It's so good. For my anniversary, this was actually from my husband. There's 2 of them. And they're blankets. And this one is my doggies. This one is my doggies. And then this was our first Our first sonogram. I don't even know what part's what. I think, look, I think it's there. But how cute and sweet is that? Well, that's everything that I got in Texas, in Houston and Austin. So thank you so much for hanging out with me while I remember what I actually got, because it's been about 6 weeks and I wanted to open this with you guys. I've been considering maybe doing a story sale on Instagram and offering this to all of you guys first. So if you see anything you like, definitely hit me up or follow over on Instagram. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I will see you guys next time.